Car Doctor. We're in the shop today, down and dirty. Quick video, all right? We came across this car. I thought you'd like to see it. 2019 Buick, whatever the heck this thing is, P0496, EVAP purge fault. Problem in the EVAP system. Notorious for bad purge valves. Very common failure, right? We talk about this all the time. Purge valve is what? It's the front of the system. It's the front door to your house. We talk about front door, back door. Here's the front door. This side's going to manifold vacuum, electrically controlled by the computer to open this up electrically when it wants to. Here's the side that goes to the tank. So that's the feed, right? It's mechanically closed. Would you leave the front door to your house open and let society in when you didn't want it? No. So right now, Danny, bring the camera, maybe we can show them this real quick. All right. Down here, let me reach my hands in, because it's in a great spot. All right, I'm electrically disconnected, right? So I'm electrically disconnected. So I've got this valve just sitting there, manifold vacuum on this side, nothing. I shouldn't have anything here, right? The front door should be closed. I'm tapped in with a vacuum gauge. Done. I'm reading about 20 inches of manifold vacuum. I'd say that's a bad purge valve. Down and dirty, that's how you do it. Front door, back door, that's the whole conversation. Total diagnostic time, about 15 minutes, and most of that was just trying to get to the connector to tap in. So I thought you'd like to see something real quick. I'm Ananian The Car Doctor. I'll see you guys on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.